This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Easter treat bags using the Stampin' Up Springtime Joy stamp set, the Stampin' Up Arrange a Wreath stamp set and coordinating Wreath Builder dies, and the Flowers for Every Season 6x6 Designer Series paper. Not only are they quick and easy, but they can be customized for other occasions as well. So let's get started. First of all, I want to say a shout out to Meg Lovin for the tutorial on how to create the bag. She used it with a different designer series paper and stamp set, and I said, wow, these would be perfect for Easter. Here are my bags. And there's the cute little rabbit holding an Easter egg on the front. This is what the bags look like. And when you open them, you can fill them with any kind of Easter candies or small toys you might have on hand. Alright, you're going to need a piece of designer series paper. This is cut at 2 3/4 by 5 1/2. Next, you need to punch a circle using 2 1/4 circle punch. After you punch the circle, you're going to score it all the way around at 1/2 inch. And this is my template that I've made for myself. Now here's the one that we're going to use for our bag. Once you score it, I'm simply going to come in and cut those corners off. Here. 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 And here's the last one. This is what you should have. Now I'm going to fold these up on the score lines. This is going to make the bag or a box base. Then I'm going to take this DSP and I'm going to start wrapping it around this base. So I start on the corner. And I just turn it as I wrap. Next side. And then finally, the last side. Now what I want to do is take a piece of tear and tape. I like to use tear and tape because things stay put. I live in a high humidity area, so sometimes when I use a roller type of adhesive, it peels up. Okay, I peeled that off. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around to close it. And there you have it. Your little bag that you can put different kinds of treats in. You might have a little corner left. You can trim that off. All right. Bottom, front, back, sides, and you're just going to pinch it. Now I'm going to bring in my Hershey Kisses. These are the springtime kisses. You can get 4 or 5 in this little bag, but there are other treats that'll fit. And then what I want to do, I'm using one of the Clever clasps. You can find this in the spring catalog. They come in gold or a silver tone finish. And I'm just going to take it. That closes it. Now what I'm going to do is add a piece of ribbon. This is the Bumblebee gingham ribbon from the annual catalog. I have a glue dot on the back. I'm just sticking it on the front. And then now I want to add my little rabbit from the Springtime Joy stamp set. And here he is. And I've colored his flower headband using Magenta Madness, Just Jade, and Mango Melody Stampin' Blends. I have them up on the Stampin' Dimensional. And then I took the layer and circle framelits to make my little focal point. Then I want to add the little Easter egg. This is from the Arrange a Wreath stamp set and coordinating Wreath Builder dies. And I have a dimensional on the back. And then I'm going to take one more dimensional and put this on the back of here. And attach it to the front. And there you have it. A quick and easy Easter bag or Easter treat bag that's perfect for anyone. I plan on making these for future holidays and occasions. If you like my projects, you can visit me at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can shop with me at www.lisafleming.stampinup.net. You can find me on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you for stopping by. I wish you a happy and blessed Easter and happy stamping.